We are looking at how to pronounce this name, as well as how to say more names from ancient Rome and more useful Latin words, so make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing to learn more. How do you go about pronouncing it? In British English, this is said as Claudius. Claudius, you do want to stress on the first syllable. In American English, this is normally said as Claudius. Claudius in American English versus Claudius in British English. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more names from ancient Rome and more biblical names as well, whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.